Welcome to the Department of Distance Learning's Canvas LMS tutorial series. In this video, we will focus on the Global Navigation menu, which is your path to move around within the LMS. The navigation menu bar is located on the left-hand side of the screen. As you can see, there are a number of clickable options available. Going down the line, we'll discuss what each button does and then interact with some of the features. The Account button allows you to edit your account profile, change pertinent settings, alter your preferred notification settings, and both store and upload files. The Dashboard button acts like a home button that will return you to your dashboard page no matter where you are in Canvas. The Courses button is where you can access all of the Canvas courses that are associated with your username, including the ones that do not appear on your dashboard page. The Calendar button takes you to Canvas's dynamic calendar that pulls data directly from the assignments, scheduled tests and quizzes, and notifications in each of your courses to populate a view of everything you have pending in your courses. You can choose between a week view, a month view, or an agenda view that lists upcoming due dates. The Inbox button takes you to a repository of any direct messages your students send to you through the LMS, as well as any emails that you send to your students. The Arc button takes you to a video creation and storage tool known as Arc that will be the subject of a future training video. The Commons button takes you to the Canvas Commons, which is a repository for shared educational content created by other Canvas users. This content can range from something as complex as a full course template down to something as simple as an individual open source image that you can use in your course. The Help button gives you a range of support options should you have any problems, and it is important to note that this is the same help menu that your students see. The first option presented is to contact the instructor, which will route any student support requests to your Canvas inbox. There is a series of Canvas guides where you can search through quick start information and case histories of common technical issues. You can submit a ticket about an issue by clicking Report a Problem. And if you need immediate support from Canvas, there are both a phone line and a text chat where you can access 24/7 live support from Canvas. As you can see, these options are available separately to both faculty and students. Canvas's help options are a supplement but not a replacement for direct support with TCC courses provided by the Department of Distance Learning, which can be accessed by calling 822-1470 or emailing canvas@tcc.edu. Down at the very bottom of the Global Navigation menu, we see that there is a gray arrow. Clicking this will collapse the navigation bar, and clicking it again will expand the navigation bar. At this point, let us look at some of the options in our account profile by returning to the Account button. In the Profile area, you can write a short bio for your students to read, or include any web links to external content that is relevant to you as an instructor that doesn't necessarily have a home in your course. To do either of these, simply click the Edit Profile button. Once you have added any new data, click Save Profile. The circle to the left of your username is a place where you can upload a profile picture. Dragging your mouse over the circle and clicking on the floating pencil icon takes you to an area where you can upload a picture or take a picture of yourself if you have a webcam currently connected to your computer. The Files area gives you access to the storage folders for each of your courses, as well as a My Files folder where you can store profile pictures and other useful files. You can create new folders by clicking the Plus Folder button and you can upload files into any of these main folders by clicking the Upload button and selecting the file on your PC that you would like to place into Canvas. The Notifications area allows us to determine on an item-by-item basis when and how we want Canvas to deliver notifications about changes to our course. For each of the available notification activities listed here, you can choose whether you want to receive immediate notifications, daily summaries, weekly summaries, or no notifications at all. Weekly notifications are sent by Canvas on Saturdays between 8 and 10 o'clock a.m. Thank you for joining us for this overview of the Global Navigation menu.